In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate contacts in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Duplicate contacts can clutter your pipeline, split conversations across profiles, and make reporting less reliable. The good news is, Pipedrive has a built-in tool that makes cleaning this up quick and safe, and I'll walk you through it now. Start by heading to the Contacts section on the left pane. If your left pane looks collapsed or you can't see labels clearly, use the button at the top left to expand it. That simply opens up the navigation so the options are easier to spot. Inside Contacts, look for the Merge Duplicates tab. Go ahead and click it. This page lists any duplicates Pipedrive has detected automatically, usually by matching things like names, email addresses, or phone numbers. If you don't see anything here, that just means Pipedrive doesn't currently find likely duplicates and you're all set. If duplicates are listed, choose one to review. You'll be asked to select the primary contact, the record you want to keep as the main profile. Think of the primary contact as the master version. When two records have the same type of information, like two different phone numbers or titles, Pipedrive will prioritize what's in the primary contact. A helpful tip is to pick the record that looks most complete or most recently updated as your primary. Once you've selected the primary contact, click Preview. The preview screen shows exactly how the two records will be combined. Take a moment to scan through the details. You'll see which fields will be kept, which may be replaced, and any related items like deals, activities, notes, and emails that will move under the unified contact. This is your chance to confirm you're keeping the best email address, the correct phone number, and the right organization or owner. If something looks off, you can back up and choose a different primary before finalizing. When everything looks correct, click Merge. The process is fast, and Pipedrive will confirm when it's done. You'll return to the duplicates list so you can repeat the same process for any remaining suggestions. If the list becomes empty, congratulations. Your contacts are now consolidated. That's all there is to it. Open Contacts, expand the left pane if needed, go to Merge Duplicates, choose your primary, preview the details, and click Merge. Reviewing the preview carefully is the key to getting clean, accurate records in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a tidier Pipedrive.